Hello everyone, my name is Magdan, and today I will show you how to work out positions with the maximum probability and take as many take profits as possible. Today I will show you what an inducement is and how to use it. IXWM takes off the first maximum of the internal structure in the market and thereby encourages people to buy here, but in the end the price falls down, they make some bites, for example, here in the purchase. That is, yes, it encourages people to buy. But in the end it goes down, and here the minimum is confirmed. Since it removes the inducement, here the maximum is confirmed by the boss. You ask, where will there be a real reversal of the market? At the confirmed maximum, that is, here there will be a change of character, here there will be an inducement. And how, for example, can you trade against the trend when it removes the inducement, but at the same time removes it in the opposite direction to encourage people to sell, but in the end it goes up like this, you understand, yes? And in general, this is how the market works. That is, there will always be some manipulations, so that you don't need to make some movement. There should always be some kind of manipulation. Let's look at the real charts, how it works. The price removes the inducement, confirms the minimum, falls below, the price removes the inducement, encourages people to buy, but what do we see? The price removes the inducement in the opposite direction, here it gives a small break, but since we have a very narrow range, the price falls below when everyone buys, but we have to sell after removing the liquidity, here. Then the price falls below and the next minimum is confirmed here. Why? Because the price removes the inducement here, that is this rollback. What do we see? It removes the inducement in the opposite direction, immediately does not give a break, it makes another buy to sell, to encourage people to sell, and in the end, turning around. It gives a good long, a movement up, but in the end, how? Did these positions open up for sale? Everything is very simple. We have, again, a certain range from this maximum to this minimum, and in this range we are trading. We see that it is trading 0.5 from us. I am looking for our setup here, that is, a break. Remove the inducement in the opposite direction and a fall down. Here we had a break, here we had a removal of the inducement, put a buy in the purchase, that is, encourage people to buy, and opened a short position. Also here, remove the inducement a little, remove the inducement here, a buy in the purchase and a sell. And the price eventually reached this minimum, confirmed the maximum here, that is, the use of classic swings. ICT is the most ineffective thing. Only if you are very experienced, but if you want to trade quickly, efficiently and cool, then you need to use this approach. If you want, you can sign up for my course on my Telegram channel. Go to the English channel in Telegram. There is all the information about the course, where you can learn to practice the same incredible positions. Therefore, I am waiting for everyone. Please promote this video in the recommendations so that more people learn about it. I hope for you. Thank you all and have a good day.